Hey guys, David Andron here, certified sports psychology coach with Mental Master Training. At Mental Master Training, we provide psychological skills training that will help athletes reduce stress, enhance performance, stay in the zone, improve confidence, improve mental toughness, and shift challenges into opportunities. Psychological skills training is as important to an athlete as physical training. Mental training can contribute to 50 to 90% of their performance. Goal setting, positive self-talk, mental imagery, relaxation are four of the most prominent PST methods used by athletes. Our Mental Toughness virtual program covers psychological skills training for both athletes and parents. Some of the skills covered for athletes in our weekly modules include goal setting, performing under pressure, resilience, relaxation and breathing, focusing, overcoming adversity, self-visualization, imagery, positive self-talk, managing nerves and emotions, and positive energy. Some of the skills for our parents include positive support, do's and don'ts for parenting, parenting peak performers, being the parent coach, and be a fan, not a critic. There are several myths about sports psychology training. The first myth is sports psychology training is only for problem athletes. This simply is not true. Sports psychology training is about training your mind to reach your full potential. It is not about solving problems. Just like when you train your physical skills for improvement, no matter how confident or focused an athlete may be, there's always room for more improvement. Only about 10% of athletes have mental disorders that require clinical sports psychologists that are licensed to practice clinical psychology, which is to treat mental disorders. 90% of psychological needs of athletes can be addressed by sports psychology coaches or specialists, and these specialists help to develop mental skills for all athletes. Another myth is that sports psychology training is a quick fix solution. Sports psychology coaches teach skills. Skills take time and proper practice to master. Sports psychology training is not a quick fix solution. For athletes and coaches to really make these skills their own, it would take both time and practice. Sports psychology training won't turn the average player into a super athlete, but it will help the athlete grow and develop and maximize their abilities. With proper sports psychology training, you will see small improvements fairly quickly, but larger and more consistent improvements will take time. Many studies of elite athletes show that the more successful and skilled athletes have more commitment, self-confidence, better task orientation, and arousal regulations than the less successful athletes. Studies also show that more successful athletes use positive thinking and positive imagery to visualize success more than less successful athletes. Once an athlete's mental strengths and weaknesses are assessed and identified through an initial consultation interview and personality questionnaire, a training program can be put together for the athlete based on the athlete's goals and needs. Finally, if you want to be a successful, confident, and consistent athlete, remember the 6 P's. Proper psychological practice prevents poor performance. Your mind is the toughest opponent that you must face and defeat to be successful in both sports and in life. For more information on psychological skills training and our mental toughness program, visit www.mentalmastertraining.com.